First of all, locate the crate in an area near to where you're going to be using the calendar. Then, carefully remove the top and sides of the crate and put them away in a safe place. Once you've removed the top and sides of the calendar pallet, you will see that the calendar remains on the base. Inside of the calendar, you will find various parts and pieces that you'll need later. Remove these and store them safely close to where you're going to be working. Now we're at the stage where we can start working on the calendar in a big way. We've laid out all of our equipment here that we're going to need, and if we look inside this cupboard here, we will find some other pieces that are all part of the calendar. We have the screws and some of the cogs. Once you've removed the bolts securing the equipment to the pallet, you can lift the equipment off the pallet gently using the forklift truck. Then slide the pallet away and you're ready to locate the equipment where you're going to use it. So now we're ready to start assembling the table on the calendar. But first, make sure that you have the correct electrical plug that matches the plug on the wall for your power supply. Then you'll need to get an electrician to wire this up. To install the drive cog, place the cogs inside the chain and carefully position the cogs inside the mounting hole on the bracket, ensuring that the chain has got free and easy movement, and then we can simply bolt this in place. The next stage after we've installed the mounting brackets is to install the guide rollers. Now this can be a one-person job, but it's much easier with two. And they are simply screwed in, bolted in, here, here, and here on both sides. I'll go and get somebody to help me do that now. Okay, now we've installed the 3 guide rollers, and it's time to put the feed and collector rollers on. First of all, line up the slots. And then carefully place one end of the bearing on the holder and slide in to the slot. Next step is to install the chain guard. It's much easier to put this on before you put the table on. This simply slides over here and then bolts in round the back over here. The final major stage of the assembly is installing the table. This is really a two-person job. It can be done with one, but I wouldn't recommend it. And the final piece is the tensioner wheel. This installs in the back slots through this little hole here. Slide gently in and locate on the mechanism here. There we go. So we've had our plug put on our cable. We're ready to put this into the socket. And there we go. Now we have to check that both of the stop buttons are released. And one on this end too. Then we open the end door. And turn the power on here. Next, we turn the power on the panel. And from this point, we can adjust the temperature to what we require by moving the arrow up or down.